Hey everybody, my name is TaoMan, and in this video I will show you a simple way how you can appear offline in UPLAY. So let's start. The first thing you want to do is just be in UPLAY, and when you're here, you want to click here on the friends and group. And you're gonna see it right here on online. So what you want to do is just click here and just click invisible. And now no one will be able to contact you or anything. And that's pretty much it. So again, you go to right top corner to friends and group, click on online and choose invisible. If you have any questions, guys, ask me down in the comments. I'm really happy to help you and provide you some guidance and support. You know how it works, you know how it goes. So yeah, have a great day and goodbye.